welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 15. Oh my gosh, you guys, these days are just starting to fly by. Thank you again so much for being here with me throughout this COOKMAS season. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make one of my favorite dips, which is queso. But in this case, we're going to make a delicious queso blanco. So queso blanco, even though it's a little bit fancier than the regular cheese, it's pretty simple to make and only takes a few ingredients. So hopefully you guys are ready for this easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video for the queso blanco recipe. If so, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.